With November coming closer, more Tesla Model 2 prototypes are being spotted on roads ahead of their official launch. To be clear, no one outside Tesla knows exactly how many Model 2 units are already built, but sightings in at least 3 locations, Texas, Fremont, and Mexico, confirm that real-world testing is happening. These appearances have provided the most detailed look yet, showing no fewer than 26 clear differences compared to the Model Y. These changes are not just cosmetic, they are the heart of Tesla's plan to push the price all the way down to just $15,990. Elon Musk has often described the Model 2 as basically a smaller version of the Model Y, but this new car clearly carries a range of unique design choices of its own. The leak of over 24 design updates has stirred up mixed reactions across the Tesla community. Some longtime fans are left a little disappointed, while others see it as a smart and refreshing new approach. Either way, the Model 2 looks set to become the most debated and possibly the most controversial Tesla so far. So, what exactly has Tesla trimmed back or redesigned in order to meet that eye-catching $15,990 price point? And does the quality hold up at such a cost? Those are the very questions that these 26 design updates are starting to answer. Before going further, welcome to AMP Drive. If you enjoy deep dives into Tesla, future electric vehicles, and breakthrough technology, then this is the right place for you. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Your support really helps us grow, and we are so thankful for every one of you who joins the AMP Drive community. For years, Tesla has been well known for keeping almost total secrecy around its future vehicles, often hiding the front, the rear, and even the full interior during testing. Because of this, earlier prototype sightings only left people more curious rather than fully informed about Tesla's real plans. But recently, a newly released video has offered the clearest glimpse so far at the Model 2, the long-anticipated affordable Tesla. Instead of only speculation, we can now actually see most of the design, including about 26 major changes compared to the Model Y and the Model 3. Everyone already knows that the Model Y has been Tesla's most versatile and successful car. Tesla's strong position in the global electric vehicle market is largely thanks to the Model Y. It is no accident that the Model Y became the best-selling electric car worldwide, topping charts in the United States and in many other countries ever since its release. The Model Y price is not extremely high but still not cheap either, starting around $37,000 after tax credits in many regions. Even so, the Model Y alone cannot carry Tesla forever. This year, Tesla has seen its sales revenue and overall profits take a noticeable hit. Elon Musk's big answer to this problem is the long-awaited Model 2, a car that millions of people around the world are waiting for since it could finally be the first Tesla they can realistically afford. The strategy is quite simple: recreate the success of the Model Y but at roughly half the cost. To achieve this, Tesla is not starting completely from scratch. The Model 2 will actually be built on the same production lines as the Model Y while cutting out several premium features and costly extras to keep the price lower. This is a very important part of the story because in order to hit such an aggressive price, Tesla must make real trade-offs and significant simplifications. If you are someone who is used to driving a Model Y, moving down to a Model 2 will feel different in many ways. Some buyers may walk away disappointed if they expect too much luxury or performance. But if people keep expectations realistic, the Model 2 could still become the smartest option in its price range. Although sales are only expected to begin early next year, Tesla has already been assembling prototype units of the Model 2 since June at its Fremont factory. This was actually confirmed in Tesla's second quarter earnings call and later backed up by reporting from Reuters. Still, even as these cars are being produced for testing, Tesla has kept the official design under heavy cover, just like with its past new models. Every test car has been heavily disguised from the front to the rear and even inside. That is why for a long time, most of what people thought they knew about the Model 2 was pure guesswork. These guesses were often based on what Tesla had done with previous budget-friendly versions of the Model 3 and the Model Y. One big change is found right at the front. Tesla has redesigned the nose and the headlights of the Model 2. The headlights are now positioned higher, and the signature light bar feature has been removed. That light bar is normally reserved for Tesla's more expensive cars. On the Model Y, the slim light strip above the headlights gives the vehicle a premium touch. But a design like that does not really fit with a car that has to cost under $20,000. So Tesla simplified the front of the Model 2, giving it a more straightforward look. Honestly, this simpler style works. It may not shock anyone, but it definitely makes the Model 2 easy to recognize on the road. The Model 2 is also expected to include a front bumper camera. That should not come as a surprise since Elon Musk has already hinted that the Model 2 would still be equipped for full self-driving just like other Tesla models. That makes sense because Tesla is not going to remove FSD hardware just to shave off a few $1,000s. Keeping it could turn out to be very smart since owners may want to use their Model 2s in Tesla's future robo-taxi network. One of the biggest debates has been over the doors. People keep asking, will the Model 2 be a 2-door or a 4-door? Some have even joked about falcon wing doors like on the Model X or butterfly doors like on the Cybercab. But realistically, we do not expect anything like that on a $15,990 car. The mechanics behind falcon wing doors are too complex and expensive, and if one of them breaks, the cost to repair would be very high. This is why it seems far more likely that the Model 2 will stick to a conventional 4-door layout, something much closer to the Model Y but possibly with simpler window insulation. Another bold update, and one that may split opinions, is that the Model 2 will reportedly be Tesla's first vehicle without a full glass roof. Instead, it will use a solid painted roof panel. This cuts down on cost, but it also takes away that open, airy feeling that many buyers love in Tesla's panoramic glass roof cars. Another cost-saving change is in the rear design. If you have seen a Model Y at night, you know how stylish its rear light bar looks. But Tesla has removed that feature for the Model 2. One of the most surprising parts of this story involves the battery. According to leaks, Tesla is pushing for something entirely new with the Model 2, a move away from lithium batteries and toward aluminum-ion batteries. If true, that would make the Model 2 the very first Tesla to run on this new chemistry. Until now, Tesla has mainly used lithium iron phosphate batteries for its affordable cars, and these cells have been reliable and popular. Many assumed the Model 2 would stick with them. But to bring costs even lower, Tesla appears ready to try aluminum-ion cells instead. These could be cheaper and at the same time deliver stronger performance. Some early prototypes of aluminum-ion batteries have shown the possibility of reaching 500 watt-hours per kilogram, which is nearly double the energy density of today's typical lithium-ion batteries. This means aluminum-ion packs could store almost twice the energy in the same weight, leading to longer range and better efficiency. If leaks are accurate, the Model 2 could deliver about 310 miles of range even with a smaller battery pack of about 53 kilowatt-hours. That points to a major improvement in efficiency compared to today's standards. Reports suggest there will be at least 2 versions. The basic version should cover at least 300 miles, while a long-range version would push that number even higher. Production location is another big part of this story. Many buyers hope the Model 2 will still meet Tesla's usual quality standards even at such a low price, but that might not be realistic. The loss of the $7,500 federal tax credit in September has made things more difficult. That credit was a big factor in keeping Tesla affordable for many Americans. Without it, Tesla has had to push even harder to reduce production costs. Elon Musk, however, claims that the Model 2 is being produced using the most advanced manufacturing line in the world, and at a scale never seen before in such a low-cost vehicle. Timing is critical here. Tesla's sales numbers fell in both the first and second quarters of the year. The third quarter represents a chance to bounce back and regain lost market share. And what better way to do that than by introducing a new affordable car aimed directly at budget-conscious buyers? Musk has even told investors that the Model 2 should be available between October and December of 2025. But here is the interesting twist. The Model 2 is not entirely a brand new creation. It is actually being produced on the same assembly lines as the Model Y, Tesla's approach is simple: reuse a successful platform, cut out expensive extras, and drop the price by about 28%. The result is a car that clearly carries Tesla DNA, but at a fraction of the cost. A huge part of this lower-cost engineering strategy involves the motor. Instead of using costly rare earth magnets from China, Tesla is testing a ferrite-based motor for the Model 2. This could cut about $1,000 per motor and also reduce dependence on Chinese supply chains. But it also means less raw power. Compared to today's Teslas, the Model 2 will likely be slower, taking about 6 to 7 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, compared to the faster 4 to 5 seconds in a Model Y. Performance fans may find that disappointing, but remember, this is not a performance car. Still, the Model 2 will keep the things that make Tesla feel like Tesla: the central touchscreen, autopilot features, Tesla app connectivity, and over-the-air updates. Those remain in place. What changes is the level of luxury and speed. If you are used to a higher-end Tesla, the Model 2 might feel basic. But at $15,990, it is still offering a lot. Another key part of production is Tesla's giant Giga press machines. These presses can build the main body of the Model 2 in as little as 15 seconds, compared to about 35 seconds for a Model Y at Giga Shanghai. This shows how Tesla is cutting costs through speed and efficiency. Analysts have been quick to note that Tesla is following a strategy already used by traditional automakers. Companies like Honda, Mercedes, BMW, and Audi often build cars of different price ranges using the same core platform. Tesla is simply doing this in its own way, mixing in unique design touches to set each model apart. At the end of the day, the Model 2 is not just a smaller Model Y. It is the result of cutting costs wherever possible without destroying the Tesla experience. From a slightly slower acceleration and simpler roof to a new battery design and cheaper motor, it represents Tesla's attempt to reach a massive new group of buyers. Many buyers in the United States rushed to grab Model Y and Model 3 cars before the $7,500 credit expired in September. That explains the spike in sales for those models. But many others are holding back, waiting for the Model 2 because they believe they will get something close to a Model Y at nearly half the cost. So here is some advice. If you want the higher performance and luxury touches, the Model Y is still your best option. But if you care mainly about price and you want to join the Tesla family at the lowest possible cost, then waiting for the Model 2 may be the smartest move. Tesla is expected to begin sales early next year, and the Model 2 could very well reshape the electric car market in ways no one has seen before. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to AMP Drive so you never miss out on the latest Tesla news and future technology updates. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, share it with friends, and turn on notifications so you are always updated with our new content. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Goodbye.